It's me Aish, and today we have a very new activity, question about self. So from this activity we will know each other. So I am gonna ask 5 questions from my uh, friend Vivek, and he will ask 5 questions from me. So let's start our activity. First question I want to ask from Mr. Vivek is, what's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is when I go to in dark. I know there was a time when my cousin marriage, so I was alone at the road at night. I think 1 a.m. at night. So no one was on the road. Road was empty. So I got more fear, and there was also darkness. So I ride my bike as soon as possible, as fast as possible. So I reached at home. So this was my biggest fear, and also it happened with all. When we go to in darkness, we feel fear.
And nice question answers from Mr. Vivek. And then second I want to ask that, how do you react when you are angry or sad?
Sometimes I also react when I am angry. Now, when I react, someone also get means upset from me. Someone tease me when someone beat me. Then I also get angry on him.
Okay.
Sometimes I also talk loud with him in loud voice. Sometimes I also beat someone because anger cannot control by anyone.
And then third is, what do you want to become in your life and how?
So I want to become a doctor.
Okay.
It is my aim of life. When I will be a doctor, so it's my plan that I will treat to the poor people who cannot afford money, because in our society there are many people who are poor. Then I am thinking that by my hard work, I will do hard work day and night to achieve my goal, and after getting degree, I will serve the people.
Nice answer. And then fourth one is, who is the person make you cry last time and why?
Uh, at a time, I think some years ago, I think 2 or 3 years ago, my friend who beaten me. So my I was weak on that time. So I had no ability to fight with him. So he beaten me. I don't know on which thing we fought. So he beaten me, and I cried more and more. So it was hurt. It hurt more me.
Okay. Then fifth one is, what's your favorite thing you own? Why it is a favorite?
My favorite thing, fast food. I like pizza most because it's a delicious food, and when I eat that food, I feel relaxed. It's my favorite food, and it's too yummy for me
Okay.
to eat.
Then it's your turn to ask 5 questions from me.
So here is questions about self activity. So my first question to Mr. Aish is, who's the person that you fear the most and why?
So in our school, there is a teacher, and few days past he just joined in our school, and he teaches Arabic, and he is very strict that every student feel fear from him and get afraid, and I am very get afraid when he come in our class. Very do very disciplined things, and I become very afraid from him. Then now he is gonna to beat me. And then the second person is my grandfather, because sometime he become very serious, and I think so this is now my time to get beaten by him. So I am got afraid both from these both.
Okay, a nice answer. The second question is, have you ever been hurt physically or badly?
Yes,
If you, how?
1 or 2 week ago I got fall from bike, and it give me many injuries on my legs. So this is the thing, and many years ago I also fall from bike, that it give me very physically, I got physically hurt from this thing.
Okay. Third question is, if you had been MNA or MPA of Umarkot, what would be the first thing you do for your town?
If I become MNA or MPNA, so first thing, I will make good sectors for education and hospitals, and then the road. Because one day I was riding and the jumps was very big and my hand was shivering. So I will make the road best, and separate schools for girls and boys, because our evil-minded society are very bad. So I will make other separate school for girls.
Fourth question is what's you most hated course and why?
And my most hated chores is from when I come from school and someone say me to go and purchase these things. I hate too much that someone say me to do this, because I am very tired from coming to school and 6 hours of hard work, and I they say me to go and buy this. So this is the most hated chores of mine.
Okay, last question is what book has impacted you the most? Which book you want to read?
So the Robinson Crusoe is a book on personal life. That this book teaches very how to survive without food, without any shelter. So this book impacted me too much. And the next book I want to that line is Alchemist. So I want to complete it, and it's very interesting book. So thank you. It's all from me.